Welcome to another episode of Yacht Life, and today, I told y'all last time we was gonna do a lot of shit, and today I can't put it off no longer. All of that's gotta go on. This fuel pump has got to go in, because this shit is driving me crazy. You feel me? I'm definitely gonna try to get that engine mount going. We'll put these covers on that fender line, it's gotta go on, because, So, yeah, let's get going. Alright. Got a little update. So, God damn it, if I turn the music down. Alright, fairly simple. Like I always say, 218s, take the wheel off, blah, blah, blah. Take the goddamn brake caliper off, bracket, 218s. Then you got the 213s. Take all this off. I'm letting it hang, I shouldn't do that, but oh well. Take that off, take the rotor off. And you got this little thing here, but before you get to that, you got this asshole of a cap that I had to like beat on. Pretty much it sits like this, right there. You take a screwdriver. I would say have two different ones on hand, a small one, well a thin one, and a thick one. Thin one to try to break the seal. Put it there, take a hammer, you beat it around, turn it, beat it, turn it, beat it. And then you take the thick one, and that's when you apply more pressure, you point outwards and push that way. And it just pop off like that. For this, gotta, what I do with it? Let me see. What I do with it? Nope, that ain't it. Holy crap, what did I do with it? Oh, right here. Alright. Then you got a 36mm axle nut socket. Boom, boom. Now, I would suggest buying this one if you're going to do this a lot, because these are built to last, but you can buy the $7 one. Boom. Perfect. It only moves because it's a spline and not a hex, but yeah. Boom, boom. Take it off. Little suggestion, a boy here, Larry, he gonna help me out, because when you take this off and you put that pressure on to turn it backwards, the wheel likes to move. It likes to turn, and of course, when you got leverage, things move. You tend to break some shit or fall. So I'm gonna have him hold the steering wheel straight, or in this position. I'm gonna break this torque off, and I'm gonna come back and use the drill just to take the rest of it off. Turn after, that shit ain't even barely moving. That might be my issue. Look at that shit.
Oh,
yeah.
You can see bearings and shit.
Yeah, that's why I was like, why can I see the bearings on that one and not on this one?
You ain't supposed to be
yeah, you ain't supposed to see the bearings on it. Yeah, hell no. I know that for a fact.
Probably had chips and metal.
Going all up in there.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Yeah, you finna come off today. Golly. Something's very, very off. Very off.
Somebody might have put it on, but I mean, they might have got it off and then put that bitch back on.
Alright, so we got a jaw pull on here because we've been banging it and the lip won't come off, all this other stuff. So we're trying to pull it off, and trying to get it.
Yes, fucking yeah.
There you go. Now I can just knock it off. Oh, just pull it off. Bing, bing. Look at this shit, bruh. Look at that shit there. That's retarded, yo.
House shoe mechanic.
This guy right here. Golly. Golly, bro. I don't know. That shit crazy. Look at that, though. Sheesh. At least I ain't damaged the threads or the housing. That's good. I'm about to clean that off and get back to it.
Up on there, all that rust back there, that was what was holding.
That right there.
Yeah.
I'm about to get my brush for that.
Yeah.
I got my harder brush in the house. I just want to get all the loose shit off. If I don't, maybe I don't need it.
Shit turned into fucking.
Whatever. Some PB blast on it, let it slide on. Nice. I can't be one of them people that just let that bitch sound like that. Just be like, oh, okay. Yeah, like my shit, like I spent all that time out here trying to put the fucking exhaust gasket on, and I still gotta go in there and retap the hole, because the reason it's leaking is the hole all the way in the back stripped out. So I was spinning the bolt tight, and I would give it one more like little tug, and it pop, spin. I was like, huh? So I thought maybe I just wasn't all the way in. Turns out I took the bolt all the way back out and it had metal, so I gotta retap it if I can get to it. That is. That's if I can get to it. Way better. I used the nut that came on it. Can you look in that Harbor Freight bag and pass me that torque reader, please? It's still in the box right there. That's in your hand right now. Yeah. I hate when they package stuff like this. Yeah, I used to open it. Oh, from the back. I'm about to go ahead and pull right through it. I know my torque wrench. What the hell? I guess it's going. Let's see something. Yeah, okay. Bing, bing. All right. Torque it. That didn't look like right. That didn't look right to me. He said, you want to put the motor on first? You funny. You funny. Try to be a smart ass.
I was looking at
I got you.
I said, they got that rotor lead going in my first there. I said, you never get that goddamn. Never get that.
Come on now.
Never get that load. I was like, shit, I do shit like that. I be damn. I take them apart, and then I be over anticipating everything. I get to think I done worked so hard at something. Then I put something on first that needs to go on last. I'm like, hold on, I done fucked up.
Somewhere. I'm trying to figure it out too, and it's right there in your face.
I be like, shit, I'm ready to get this motherfucker together and be done. Then
breaking off fast and shit.
Then you have to take the shit right back apart.
I saw a picture like that before, just the other day. He was holding a timing sprocket, and the caption was like, "Now I got to take apart this, that, the flux capacitor, got to take this off, that, this, that, and that, and the goddamn motherfucking shit, blah, 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 just to put this fucking this gear on." Goddamn, I said, yeah, I know you think we all done the shit. Like, it ain't like somebody like, oh, I ain't never done that. You lying like hell. You lying like hell. I wouldn't even trust you as a mechanic if you said you ain't done no shit like that. Cause how else are you supposed to know you done fucked up? And I got one, but I don't got the one that I always use, and I know that one.
Hey, man. I said, goddamn. I said, he sound like a two-stroke dirt bike that just went to third gear. I said, man. I said, goddamn.
That's not funny, man.
Yeah, it is. The girl was my lead at the time I took over her position. With me and the guy, Oscar, the little Spanish guy that was being funny, we walked around the corner at the same time. And she looked at both of us because she knew I heard it. She said, both of y'all are going to hell.
That's not funny, man.
Yes,
that's fucked up, bro. That's fucked up. You know that. You know that's fucked
but
up.
But think about it though, the dude makes fun of himself when he when he stutters, right? And he called back again when we was standing there, and I just started looking up and shit. And he said something about the glue dots not working. He said,
that's for that spacer?
no.
Wait, no, don't worry about it, I forgot I got it. I gotta replace this part. Go on, I'm listening.
He said number three.
Oh, you can drop it. I don't need it right now.
I said, God damn. I said, is that the Tweety Bird? Yeah. I said, oh God, we was out there motherfucker crying.
You going to hell.
And my man Oscar, he said, I knew it was something.
You going to hell. Nah, you good, man. You can sit down. I don't need nothing from over there yet.
He said, I knew it was something. I walked in the damn supervisor. My supervisor was sitting in his chair. And he turned around and he looked at me. He said, did you hear the call that went out over the radio? I said, yes, I did. And Rachel walked in behind me and was shaking her head. He said, well, I can just imagine what you were saying.
Oh, you ain't shit. You going to hell, you know it.
No, I went in the bathroom one time. My supervisor, he was in the urinal down from me, two urinals down. And I'm right here, and a guy come rushing in the bathroom, went in there, and sat down on the toilet bowl, and it was like, right? And my supervisor looked over at me, and he didn't say nothing. But he looked at me with a crazy look on his face. I said, damn, sound like his life falling apart up under him. And my supervisor just busted out laughing. He said, I ain't never heard it put that way.
Oh my goodness, bro, you going to hell. Making fun of that man,
That's shit. And I was washing my hands, supervisor, he was trying to wash his hands to get out of there. And as we was going out, I said, hey, buddy in there in the stall. I said, you need to lay off the pork. Supervisor looked at me and said, can't carry you nowhere.
Hell no. Hell no. Terrible.
No, this is one to right. Where's his shoe? It's about this thick. One shoe, right?
One? She got a short leg?
I guess so. And the other little Mexican guy I'm real cool with that works with us.
Yeah.
And it's got stripes in it, right? He said, Larry, you want an ice cream sandwich? Right? The shoe is so thick, it looks like one of those thick ass ice cream sandwiches. Right? And I caught what he was saying. Right? And I kept on looking at the shoe.
Oh, shit. Bro. Hey, y'all, look at this shit. I've been wondering where he's been at this whole fucking time. They've been in the fucking fender. Bro, how in the fuck did they get there? That's crazy. Yeah, that shit crazy, bro. Like, for real. Yeah. This shit was stuck, bro. God, we stuck. I'm talking like stuck.
Shit seized up on there pretty good.
Yeah. Had some free advertising all over my car, bro. Like, you tripping.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.